Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Starting 4 new verses, and it is 4 verses that takes us through Romans and help us to share the gospel. So the first one we start out with is Romans 3 verse 23. And as I previously said, it's very important to start with the fact that we are sinners and that we need something. Otherwise, it's not the good news of the gospel. If there is not a problem that needs to be solved, there is no good news. So that's why we start with the fact that we are sinners. And then next week, and as the weeks goes on, we are finding the solution and what we need to do to be saved. So this is the verse we're going to concentrate on for the next week. So you're going to put this behind your daily section, so you can concentrate on that for the next week. Your previous verse of last week, you're going to put into your even section. Your old even verse, you can put in the odd section. So on the odd days of the week, you're going to concentrate on that. Your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. I think we've done last time Sunday, so we are starting back with Monday. So I'm going to put it behind Monday. My old Monday verse, I'm going to put into the monthly section. You can also go start from 1 to 3 to 31 and go backward and forth. I just choose any place where I see there is relatively less verses in, because I've got quite a lot of verses behind each one of them, because I've memorized scripture for about 3 or 4 years now. So I'm just going to put it here behind the 9th. So when it comes to the 9th, I will just revise that verse again. So tomorrow morning, I will go to my book and I will open my page where I need to memorize my scripture. This is the printables I've designed about 3 years ago that goes with it. At the moment, the bundle that you probably have is just the verses itself, which is compiled, so you can just print out the verses, which you can memorize over the next few years. But if you want to decorate your pages and go deeper, then you can get almost always my printable, which I've designed 3 years ago, with all the ephemera and the meditation sheets and things like that. Yeah, that's just besides the point. So tomorrow I'm going to go to my review piece. As you can see, I've never reviewed this verse. It's a fairly straightforward verse. I probably know it by heart, but I'm just going to start rewriting it on my review sheet. So if you haven't downloaded yourself a free printable, which you can make yourself a little box like this, where you can put your verses in and you get the practice sheets also included in that, go ahead. There's always a link down in my description. I will link it also in my stories. So yeah, come and join us. Memorize 4 verses so you can share the gospel with somebody else. Have a very, very blessed day. Bye-bye.